Hey, good morning everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. A couple things. I did get some paint on the hood the other day. I'm trying to get some paint on it today because we got some cold weather, so I'm not going to be able to get anything done. A couple areas I had some runs up at the top and one little place over here, but I can still see areas that are not completely smooth, so I'm not really happy with it. I'm going to try to go over it again today with some 600 grit, try to get a little smoother and get a coat of paint on it. You know, I'm getting to the limited amount of paint I got left, so I've got to be very careful, make sure I do everything properly. So hang in there and I'll get back with you in a few minutes. Thanks.